The small seed. Once upon a time, there was a small seed. The seed was tiny and brown, lying on the ground in a big garden. It was surrounded by many tall trees, colorful flowers, and green plants. The little seed felt very small and weak compared to everything else in the garden. It thought, I am just a small seed. I will never grow big and beautiful like the others. The wind blew and the rain fell, but the little seed stayed in the ground. One day, a kind gardener walked by and saw the small seed. He gently picked it up and said, You are a tiny seed, but you have great potential. If you believe in yourself and work hard, you can grow into something amazing. The little seed felt a bit happier after hearing the gardener's words. It decided to try and believe in itself, even though it was scared. The next day, the sun was shining brightly in the sky. The little seed felt the warmth of the sun and thought, maybe I can grow. I will try my best. It started to push its way through the soil, slowly but surely. It was hard work, and the seed felt tired, but it didn't give up. After a few days of pushing and trying, a tiny green sprout appeared from the ground. The little seed was so excited. It had never seen the world outside the soil before. It could feel the sun on its little leaves, and it made the seed feel strong and happy. The other plants in the garden noticed the small sprout and said, Look, the tiny seed is growing. Maybe it can become big and beautiful one day. The little seed heard them and felt even more motivated to grab. As days went by, the little sprout faced many challenges. Sometimes there was too much rain and the ground became very muddy. Other times the sun was too hot and the sprout felt like it was burning. The wind blew hard and sometimes it felt like the sprout might break. But every time it faced a problem, the sprout remembered the gardener's words. If you believe in yourself and work hard, you can grow into something amazing. The little sprout took a deep breath, stood tall, and faced the challenges bravely. It grew a little bit every day, its stem becoming stronger and its leaves greener. The sprout learned that even when things were tough, it could overcome anything by staying strong and believing in itself. Over time, the little sprout grew into a small plant. It had more leaves and even started to grow little buds. The plant was so happy to see itself grow. It still remembered how it started as a tiny seed and how far it had come. The other plants in the garden cheered for the small plant. They said, You are doing so well. Keep going, and you will become something wonderful. The plant felt proud of itself and kept working hard, taking in sunlight, water, and the nutrients from the soil. The kind gardener visited the garden often. He smiled when he saw how much the small seed had grown. He knew that the little seed was special because it never gave up, no matter what happened. One day, the small plant felt something different. It felt a new kind of energy, something strong and wonderful. It looked up and saw that its buds were beginning to bloom. Slowly, the buds opened up, and beautiful flowers appeared. They were bright and colorful, more beautiful than any other flower in the garden. The other plants gasped in awe. They said, Look at the beautiful flowers. The small seed has grown into a wonderful plant. The whole garden was filled with joy, and even the birds and butterflies came to see the lovely flowers. The plant felt very happy and proud. It remembered the long journey it had taken, from a small, tiny seed to a beautiful flowering plant. It knew that all its hard work, patience, and belief in itself had paid off. The gardener came to see the beautiful flowers and said, I knew you could do it. You were just a small seed, but you had a big heart. You never gave up, and now look at you, so beautiful and strong. The beautiful plant stood tall in the garden, knowing that it had become something special. It realized that every seed, no matter how small, has the potential to grow into something amazing. All it takes is hard work, patience, and belief in oneself. The plant decided to share its story with other seeds in the garden. It wanted to inspire them to believe in themselves and never give up, no matter how tough things might seem. So, whenever a new seed fell to the ground, the plant would whisper, You can do it. Believe in yourself, and you will grow into something beautiful. Just like I did. And the seeds listened, feeling hopeful and excited to start their own journeys. This simple story teaches us that no matter how small or weak we may feel, we all have the potential to achieve great things if we believe in ourselves and never give up.